When configuring app limits using the screen time feature on your iPhone, the iOS enforces these restrictions and prevents any attempts to surpass the designated usage time. However, if you can exceed these limits, it likely indicates a malfunction with the screen time feature. In this video, I'll show you 3 methods to fix it. Way 1. Set a new screen time passcode. If the app limits on your iPhone are not working, it's possible that your children have gained access to the screen time settings and disabled the restrictions for certain apps. To prevent this, it's crucial to set a new screen time passcode on your iPhone. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down to find the Lock Screen Time Settings option, then set a screen time passcode. Way 2. Turn off and turn on Screen Time feature. Restarting the Screen Time feature may be helpful because it resets many internal elements. Launch the settings and tap on Screen Time. Choose Turn off Screen Time and enter your Screen Time passcode to disable this feature. Then turn on Screen Time to enable this feature again. Way 3. Remove Screen Time passcode. If your children change the existing Screen Time passcode to one you don't know, you can employ TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, which allows you to reset the passcode without erasing the device. First, launch the TunesKit iPhone Unlocker and connect your iPhone to the computer. Select Unlock Screen Time Passcode option. Click Start. If the Find My feature is turned on your device, you must disable it to continue. Once removed, please proceed with the on-screen instructions to configure your iPhone. Okay, that's so much for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.